Dear parents, warm greetings from STC Group of Institutions. The college was established in the year 2008. Since then, it has created milestones after each mile in the field of education. STC Degree College, the recognized and reputed for its exemplary results under Bangalore University and Bengaluru North University. Institution proudly presents 10 rank holders in BCom, BBA, BSc and BCA from Bangalore University.
Hi, this is Anand. I have completed my degree in Bachelor's of Business Administration. I have completed my degree from SDC College. I was awarded as the first rank in BBA department by the Vice President of India in the 54th annual convocation at the Bangalore University. For any professional courses, the degree acts as the foundation. Hence, when the foundation is strong, you can just build your career. Hence, I suggest you guys to join SDC College for a strong base. Thank you.
Becoming a successful woman is much more easier now with lots of hurdles in life. Hi, I am Sandhya. I completed BCA in the year 2020 with 92.79 aggregate, which made me to secure the topper badge of Bangalore University and also placed at Infosys. The reason behind my small success is STC. I am very much glad to be a part of the great institution that is Srimati Danamma Chennabasavaya College of Arts, Commerce, Science and Management Studies, Kolar. It not only focused on securing marks, it also focuses on student behavior, career building, good placements, healthy environment, co-curricular activities. Most importantly, inspiring and friendly natured faculties. I am very much thankful to the management. Thank you.
My name is Anusha Singh. I have secured 10th rank in BCA course under Bangalore University. I would like to thank SDC institution for giving me an opportunity to study here because a perfect college is the first step towards a bright future. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the faculties for showing the path towards success and inspiring us to take step towards our dream. I am grateful to SDC institution for helping us sincerely to grab our first ever opportunity in the placement programs. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Shubha. Currently I am pursuing my masters in BCU Bengaluru. I graduated from SDC College Kolar. Recently I got a gold medal for getting an centum in physical chemistry paper in my 5th sem. SDC College lecturers are very friendly and they are interactive too. During the classes they used to conduct an unit test after completion of every unit. Not only this, they are very interactive during the lab session. After conducting every experiment, they used to give an practical test so that we can rectify our mistake there also. SDC stands out by placing the students in very good reputed companies like Infosys and Accenture. Not only this, SDC have a very good library too, where we can get a very good resource books and reference books too. And even we can enjoy ourselves by involving in different functions like food fest, freshers day, ethnic day, graduation day and many more. Really I am proud to be an SDCN. Even they will coach for competitive examinations like JAM and BAR. Really, I once again thank for SDC for guiding me, for supporting me throughout my journey of 3 years. Thank you, Anakal.
Hi, my name is Swati M. I was the student of a SDC college, Srimati Danamma Chennabasavaya College, Kolar. And I was joined in a 2017-18 and passed out year is a 2020. I was the student of a BSc department PCM and I got a gold medal in a physical chemistry in a 5th sem. For that, firstly, I want to thank our BSc department teachers, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, our management, principal and our president. Thank you so much for that. And coming to our BSc department, we had a very good friendly natured lecturers in our college and they supported very well. For that, we scored well. And campus drive is conducted in college. So many are getting job opportunity in that. And facilities like a well laboratories, library facility, bus facility, everything is available in our SDC college. And I am great to be an SDCN. If you want to brighten your future in a good way, so please choose a SDC college.
Hi, I am Achal Bhandare from STC College Kolar. Currently, I am pursuing my final year in the Department of Bachelors of Commerce. First of all, I would like to thank all the staff members for being very friendly and very supportive throughout the degree program. The lecturers in our college are very skilled and have a great experience with their respective field. As the quote says, try and fail but never fail to try. This was the lesson taught by our lecturers which inspired me to try new things in the life. Apart from the lectures, we also had personality building classes which helped me to flourish personally. Moving on to the library is well maintained. We also have canteen facilities which provides us hygienic and delicious food. Getting on to the events in the college, the head of the college made sure that every month we had a variety of event. Last but not the least, the infrastructure is really amazing and we also have a big auditorium and a playground which is surrounded with greenery. Overall, it was great studying here, and finally, I would like to thank the institution for giving me this wonderful opportunity and experience. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sai Jayashree. I'm pursuing final year BBA in SGC College, which is situated in Kola. I just wanted to say you guys about my college and our lecturers. My college is one of the best college as it have all the activities like sales day, sports day, cultural events, inter-college competitions, and our lecturers are very friendly and very attentive towards the students. Even in this pandemic, the teachers are very friendly and they are taking the classes in a very efficient manner. So our college and our lecturers are trying best for the results and their future. So I suggest you people to join STC College for your better future.
Hi, this is Ishika Jain. Currently, I am pursuing my BBA studies from the very esteemed college, Srimati Danamma Channabasavaya College. Here, I have enhanced myself in every way possible. It might be studies or any other activities. I have also enjoyed here very much. So, if you guys want to study, enjoy, and do any kind of activities, then do join SDC. Thank you.
SDC Degree College is located in the midst of green environment with high-tech infrastructure compared to the other colleges in the district.
Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Gayatri. I'm a final year BCA student and I am here to share my experience studying in this college. I had never thought of getting such a wonderful faculties and administration. Everyone has been supportive and cordial in quenching my thirst for knowledge. Not only in academics, they have been supportive in extracurricular activities. Joining SDC has made my graduate life ever more enthralling. I wish all my future SDCians and my juniors all the best for your future endeavor. I have no doubt that STC is gonna support all of you and thank you for this opportunity.
Hello everyone, I'm Gautami from Second Citizen. I feel very proud to tell about my college as I entered this college by reference of my brother and this was my best decision because my college has all necessary infrastructure and facilities like library is full-fledged with books, living spaces are so clean, classrooms are more attentive to students and also spacious, sports centers are pretty good, all labs are well maintained, transport facilities are also provided around the cities, food and canteen is hygienic, it's a large green campus and I feel so safe and pleasant as it is placed outside the city and in the midst of the green. Coming to the academics, quality of teaching is just so amazing. Each and every student is given full attention. All the faculties here are highly educated, very supportive, knowledgeable and also well experienced. They teach according to the level of the students, ensuring the topic to reach all of us. They provide us PPTs, notes and other study materials for exam so that every student can rank in an exam. I never felt any problem in academics because our teachers are so cooperative, friendly, helps me to resolve every problem then and there itself. Being a BSc student, labs are the major portion in our syllabus and are provided with sophisticated laboratories and also trained us. I am thoroughly enjoying my graduation as our college management provides equal preferences in all fields like studies, cultural activities and sports. Because of all these facilities, my college always stands at the top in the district with ranks in each courses. For your better future, I suggest you to join our college. Thank you.
It is an institution which has 6 branches in different towns of the district. It is the first institution to do so with the rural and suburban environment. The college holds most innovative and modern technologies to provide stable and competitive education to the society.
Hi, I am Mohammad Sakhle. I have completed my undergraduation in Bachelor's of Business Administration from SDC College, and of now I am pursuing Masters in Business Administration. Success doesn't just come and find you. You have to go out and get it. So I suggest to get admission at SDC College and grab the success. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Irfana. I stay in Mulbagal city. Currently I am pursuing my final year BCA with aggregate of 92.8% in SDC Degree College Kolar, which is highly random. First of all, I would like to thank our SDC College and BCA department for being very supportive and friendly throughout the degree program, and they made my personality to be enhanced and also to handle both academics and curriculum activities. Our SDC college every year brings up with campus selection by great companies like Infosys and such other companies, where we get an opportunity to fulfill our career goals. And last but not least, it is very great studying here, and also the infrastructure is really great, and it is one of the best platform for the students to fulfill their educational goals. At last, I would like to thank my institute for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with you all. Thank you.
It has affordable admission fee, and the admission process is simple of not minding the economic status of the parents. Since the institution is in outskirts, it provides free transportation within Kolar town. The institution is well equipped with digital library, laboratories, physics, chemistry, botany and zoology, computer labs, furnished classrooms, seminar hall, auditorium, indoor sports facilities and many more. The institution stands unique when it comes to teaching fraternity. It is balanced with experienced and young intellectual lecturers. The methodology of teaching inside classroom is lively, interactive and activity based. The students are encouraged to participate in cultural activities and sports competitions. The students are trained by experts from corporate industry and skill development agencies like ProEdge, The Time, RATS Technology Python. This training program is first introduced by our institution in the district. The institution takes much effort to place its students in their careers. The college has provided many placements to the students in different firms like Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Tally, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, etc. Our college has taken this step for the benefits of the students of different colleges at district level. Various events and programs are conducted for the students with the closure of convocation program. Courses offered: UG courses BCom, BBA, BCA, in BSc, PCM, PCMCS, CBZ. PG courses MCom, MSc in Maths. Dear parents, choose the best college for your children's better education and overall development.